Welcome to the week of prayer for Christian unity here in Balham and Tooting. I'm Jonathan McNeely. I'm the priest at St Mary's in Balham, and here with me today
I'm Kate Allen from Holy Trinity.
I'm Suzanne Mitchell from St Mary Magdalene, Wandsworth Common.
and we're here to introduce the week of prayer for Christian unity, which runs from the 18th to 25th of January each year. So, Kate, tell me something about the week of prayer for Christian unity.
Well, it's a worldwide celebration, a celebration of our faith and of the worldwide church, and it's quite moving to think that at a particular moment, Christians around the world are joining in prayer and worship. But of course, it's got a strong local dimension as well, and in the next few minutes, we'll be just explaining the plans for celebrating it in Balham and Tooting.
Suzanne, in good Trinitarian fashion, we've got three strands this year to the week. Tell me about those.
So we think they're best summarised as worship, learning and fellowship, which of course comes with food.
Well, that's something we all warm to. But, Jonathan, could you say something about why sharing worship is important?
Yes, well, this is what we have been designed for, to worship God and to delight in Him for all time. And Christians, no matter our denomination, we all are united by the fact that we join together in worship in a variety of forms and different ways across the ages and today. And there are invitations available to all of the Christians in our area to come and share in one another's worship over the week, either on Sunday or in some of its midweek expressions.
Where does learning come in, Suzanne?
Every year, a Christian community around the world puts together material for use in worship and in learning. This year, a group from the ecumenical monastic community of men and women at Bossé in northern Italy. They invite us to look at John 11:17 to 27, where Martha and Jesus discuss resurrection, and also to remember that it's 1,700 years since the Council of Nicaea.
How could we forget, hey? So what exactly are we going to do to look at this passage then?
Well, we've set up 2 sessions on Zoom. On Monday, the 20th, we'll look at the passage from John when Jesus asks the question of Martha, "Do you believe this?" And the next couple of days later, on the Wednesday, we'll learn how the Nicene Creed came to be adopted, and indeed the broader question of what we think about formal creeds as 21st century Christian communities.
Remind us who's facilitating these sessions.
Ah, yes, that's where my dear friend Father Nadim Nassir comes in. He's a local Syrian priest serving just up the road from here at St Mary Magdalene's. And he's going to be leading the Bible study and facilitating the session on the challenges of Christian belief that are outlined in the creeds.
Which leaves us with fellowship and food. And what binds us better than socialising with each other over some tasty eats? There'll be plenty of opportunities during the week. The centrepiece is a lunch being offered at St Augustine's, their community lunch, where they hope as many people as possible will gather for a really enjoyable meal. Hot soup and sandwiches have planned, and a good chat and socialising together. And there are several other opportunities as well.
So we've got Bible study in person, there's opportunities for worship, and of course hospitality, feasting together, the Trinity of the week. And this is a strictly invitation only sort of a gig, is that right?
Absolutely not. Whether you're part of a church or not, you're very welcome at any and all of these events. And all details should be in the email you receive this link in, so that you could go on our website and refresh your memory about what we've been saying and what's happening where and when.
Well, we've enjoyed a cup of tea or coffee this morning, so we've ticked off the food. Some of us have been at morning prayer together, that's the worship, and the Bible study, maybe we'll get to that later. Thank you for your fellowship this morning, Suzanne and Kate.
Well, thank you, Jonathan, for your hospitality, and we look forward to seeing you again during the week of prayer for Christian unity.